Reading is one of the best ways to learn new things, expand your horizons, and enrich your mind. However, reading alone is not enough. You also need to remember what you read and apply it to your life. This is especially true if you are reading about the spiritual teachings of Buddhism, which can help you achieve peace, happiness, and enlightenment. But how can you remember what you read and make the most of it? Here are 9 powerful tips that can help you do that, based on the principles and practices of Buddhism. Number 1. Set a purpose. Before delving into the wisdom of Buddhist texts, it is essential to set a clear purpose for your reading. Ask yourself why you are engaging with these teachings and what you hope to gain from them. Understanding your intention behind reading these profound texts not only focuses your mind, but also prepares your heart to receive and internalize the transformative wisdom they offer. Setting a purpose allows you to approach the teachings with reverence and openness, creating a receptive space within yourself. Whether your purpose is to seek guidance in navigating life's challenges, to deepen your spiritual understanding, or to cultivate compassion and wisdom, clarifying your intention sets the stage for a meaningful and impactful engagement with the teachings of Buddhism. By setting a purpose, you align your inner aspirations with the timeless wisdom of Buddhism, creating a harmonious resonance between your personal journey and the profound insights offered by the teachings. This purpose-driven approach not only aids in remembering what you read, but also infuses your reading with a sense of purpose and meaning, enriching your spiritual path and guiding your actions in the world. Number 2. Take notes. Taking notes while engaging with the teachings of Buddhism is a powerful practice that enhances both understanding and retention. As you read, jot down key insights, significant passages, and personal reflections that resonate with you. These notes serve as anchors, capturing the essence of the teachings and your responses to them. The act of writing down essential points not only reinforces your memory, but also provides a tangible record of your journey with the teachings. Whether it's a profound revelation, a practical application of a teaching, or a question that arises, noting these down creates a reservoir of wisdom and self-discovery. The process of taking notes encourages active engagement with the material, deepening your understanding as you distill the teachings into personalized reflections. These notes then become invaluable resources for future contemplation, meditation, and sharing with others, enriching your spiritual practice and serving as a testament to your evolving relationship with the teachings of Buddhism. Number 3. Use visualization. Visualization can be a potent tool in internalizing and remembering the teachings of Buddhism. As you encounter profound concepts and principles, take a moment to create mental images that represent these teachings. For example, when contemplating the concept of compassion, visualize a radiant light expanding from your heart and enveloping all beings in a warm embrace. By employing visualization, abstract ideas are transformed into vivid, sensory experiences within the mind. This not only makes the teachings more relatable and memorable, but also deepens their impact on your consciousness. Visualizing the teachings can evoke a sense of connection and understanding that transcends intellectual comprehension, fostering a profound and lasting impression of the wisdom contained within Buddhist texts. Moreover, visualization serves as a powerful aid in meditation, allowing you to immerse yourself in the essence of the teachings and cultivate a more profound internalization of their transformative potential. Through this practice, the wisdom of Buddhism becomes not just a theoretical concept, but a living, vibrant presence in your spiritual journey. Number 4. Summarize in your own words. After engaging with a passage or teaching, take the time to summarize the main points in your own words. This process of reflection and articulation serves to deepen your understanding and retention of the teachings. By expressing the teachings in your own language, you internalize the wisdom, making it more accessible and personal. Summarizing in your own words also encourages active engagement with the material, fostering a deeper connection with the teachings. It allows you to distill the essence of the teachings, clarifying your understanding and reinforcing key concepts in a way that resonates with your unique perspective. This practice facilitates the integration of the teachings into your daily life, as you articulate how the wisdom applies to your experiences and challenges. By summarizing in your own words, you not only remember what you read, but also embody the teachings, enriching your spiritual journey with a deeper sense of personal connection and insight. Number 5. Discuss with others. Engaging in discussions about the teachings of Buddhism with others can offer new perspectives and deepen your understanding. Sharing insights, questions, and reflections with fellow seekers or spiritual mentors creates a dynamic exchange of wisdom and fosters a sense of community. By discussing the teachings with others, you gain the opportunity to explore different interpretations and applications of the wisdom, broadening your perspective and enriching your understanding. This collaborative approach not only enhances your retention of the teachings, but also cultivates a sense of interconnectedness and shared learning within the spiritual community. Moreover, articulating your thoughts and listening to the perspectives of others can lead to profound insights and a deeper internalization of the teachings. Through these conversations, the wisdom of Buddhism becomes a living, evolving dialogue that transcends individual understanding, enriching your spiritual journey with diverse viewpoints and collective wisdom. Number 6. Teach someone else. Teaching the wisdom of Buddhism to others is a powerful way to reinforce your own understanding and retention of the teachings. When you share these profound insights with others, you not only deepen your own comprehension, but also contribute to the spiritual growth of those around you. Explaining the teachings to someone else requires you to articulate the concepts clearly and coherently, prompting a deeper internalization of the wisdom within yourself. This process of teaching solidifies your understanding and reveals any gaps in your knowledge, inspiring further study and contemplation. Teaching others fosters a sense of responsibility and accountability in upholding the integrity of the teachings. It encourages you to embody the wisdom you share, leading by example and integrating the teachings into your daily life. By teaching others, you become a conduit for the transformative power of Buddhist wisdom, enriching not only your own spiritual journey, but also contributing to the collective awakening and well-being of those you guide. Number 7. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a foundational practice in Buddhism, and integrating it into your daily life is essential for deepening your understanding and internalization of the teachings. Cultivating mindfulness involves being fully present and aware in each moment, allowing you to engage with the teachings with clarity and receptivity. Incorporating mindfulness into your study and contemplation of Buddhist texts enables you to approach the teachings with a calm and focused mind, enhancing your ability to comprehend and assimilate the wisdom. By being mindful, you can observe your thoughts, emotions, and reactions as you engage with the teachings, fostering self-awareness and insight. So, practicing mindfulness in daily life allows you to embody the principles of Buddhism in your actions, interactions, and responses. This integration of mindfulness with the teachings creates a harmonious alignment between the wisdom of Buddhism and your lived experience, nurturing a profound transformation in your spiritual journey. Number 8. Repeat and review. Continual repetition and review of the teachings are fundamental in deepening one's understanding and internalizing the wisdom of Buddhism. By revisiting the texts and reflecting on their meanings, individuals can uncover new layers of insight with each review. This iterative process not only reinforces memory retention, but also allows for a more profound assimilation of the teachings into one's consciousness. Regular review also serves to refresh one's understanding, preventing the fading of important concepts over time. Through consistent re-engagement with the material, individuals can maintain a strong connection to the teachings, ensuring that the wisdom remains relevant and impactful in their lives. The practice of repeat and review aligns with the Buddhist concept of continuous learning and growth. By embracing this approach, individuals can cultivate a deep and enduring connection to the teachings, fostering personal transformation and spiritual development. As the Buddha said, "Just as a snake sheds its skin, we must shed our past over and over again." Number 9. Apply the teachings. The application of Buddhist teachings in everyday life is the ultimate measure of their impact. By integrating the principles and insights gained from reading into daily thoughts, words, and actions, individuals can embody the wisdom of Buddhism. Applying the teachings involves consciously aligning one's behavior with the values and precepts espoused in Buddhist literature. This may manifest in acts of compassion, mindfulness in daily activities, and cultivating a sense of inner peace and contentment. Through consistent practice, individuals can experience a profound shift in their perspectives and responses to life's challenges. The transformative power of applying these teachings lies in the positive influence it has on both the individual and the surrounding community. By living the teachings, individuals become beacons of wisdom and compassion, inspiring others through their example and contributing to a more harmonious and enlightened society. Ultimately, the application of Buddhist teachings serves as a testament to the enduring relevance and potency of these ancient wisdom traditions in navigating the complexities of modern life.